Okay, here's a little quiz for you. This is the motor that came out of Cochise that blew up down in Texas. These are the main bearings. Front and rear main seal. Thrust washers. 1, 2, and 3. Or no, I'm sorry. This is 4, 3, and 2 pistons. Some of that's fingerprints and whatnot. These bearings are. And here's number 1. It's the rod end. This is either part of the rod or a cap. Again, I think that's the cap. That's the other end. Oh yeah, that's the other part of the rod. There's one of the studs. There's the top of that stud. And another section of the rod or rod cap. Here's the bearings, or the bearing, I guess you should say, that came out of this thing. Just so you can kind of get an idea of the condition that it was in. So, I think I know what happened. Oh, let's go look at the block and stuff just so you can see that. Okay, block's got a hole in it over here. That's in the number 1 hole. I got beat up really bad, tore up the inside of the stuff here. Something got wedged in the number 2. Looks like the number 2 rod smacked that hole one time. Crankshaft is just destroyed. I mean, obviously you can imagine that number 1 journal is just gone, just hammered. So, there you go. You tell me.